Congratulations on purchasing Bella Botanicals Rose Clay Face Mask. This clay face mask is great to use as a way to really polish and exfoliate the skin 1 to 2 days out of the week. This is a powder that you do have to activate with water. The reason why I decided not to activate this is because once you activate this product with water, it becomes very, very hard to preserve. So in order to leave out preservatives and keep this preservative free, I left the water out. So what you'll do with this product is you will take your little scoop. So 1 scoop just like this is 1 clay face mask. So you will take 1 scoop. You can either put it into your hands or into a little bowl, and then you're gonna mix that with either water or you can mix it with our fruit acid gel. You're gonna create a paste and you're gonna massage it all around the face after you've cleansed and allow that to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This product also has colloidal oatmeal, so even for those with skin sensitivities, this is a great product because it's going to be very soothing on the skin. The clay is going to pull things out of the pores, so it's also very helpful for people that have acne blemishes. There's also jojoba beads in there. So when you're applying this face mask, you really want to utilize those jojoba beads to give your skin a really nice physical exfoliant. So this product you can use 1 night out of the week if you have dry to combination skin, 2 nights out of the week if you are acne prone. Do keep in mind that clays pull things out of the skin, so you don't want to leave this product on for too long. So rule of thumb, if your skin is like really tight and you can't move it, we've all done that. That means that the clay is now pulling moisture out of your skin. You left it on for too long. So we really want to make sure to remove this when our skin is still a little wet with the face mask.